What do you think I'm going to get my hands on next?
Well, you got 50-50 chance.
I have.
Wolf.
You can see it, can't you? I forget people can see. Yeah. This shouldn't be the wolf. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
The woodcutter comes last, so that's in the right
yes.
order, isn't it? This is such a cute little thing with his little tabs. Little wolf. Kind of got Labrador tabs.
He does, kind of get. Look at it going. Show me beaver tail.
Yeah, it's a weird pattern of the tail, but that's what I did. What it asked for, so that's what I did. I can't stop feeling the tabs. They're so cute.
They are.
Have you done this little note? Oh, is it a little note?
Yeah. I love how floppy they are. They're really cute.
Yes. You did the embroidery as usual. I'm the crochet queen, and you are the embroidery
wonky eyes
empress. Hey, I didn't do the eyes.
I said I'm the queen.
Oh, you're the queen.
Eyes.
I thought you said me. Well,
well, yeah.
It was the queen of wonky eyes.
As if I'm that sensitive.
Well, yeah. We are.
Well, yeah.
So he's actually, the pattern actually calls, as you keep telling me, for dark grey and light grey.
Yeah.
But I couldn't be bothered to get out my light grey wool because I've got so much wool and I couldn't be bothered to find it. So I used the mid grey wool because it was already there. Yes. And I'm lazy. So that is, I was going to say Big Bad Wolf, but that's the wrong fairy tale, isn't it?
That's the wrong fairy tale. Same pattern though.
What is the wolf called? Just Wolf.
Just the wolf.
The wolf.
Yeah.
We got things sticking out there, don't I? Wolf.